Audio Jungle.
Toyota is adding yet another SUV to its lineup, and this one will wear the Crown Signia nameplate. As a crossover sibling to the Crown sedan, it replaces the Venza as Toyota's two-row, mid-size offering. A hybrid powertrain is the only choice, offering 243 horsepower and standard all-wheel drive. It provides more luxurious interior finishings than other Toyota models, with nicer materials and an upscale design, and it promises both more space and more capability, including towing, than the Venza. We expect it to cost significantly more as a result, however, and many premium features are available as options. Despite its luxurious bent, the Crown Signia will compete with mainstream models such as the Honda Passport, the Hyundai Santa Fe, and the Nissan Murano. The Crown Signia's interior is similar to the Crown sedans, with nice materials and a pleasant-looking dashboard design. The standard upholstery is a combination of cloth and vinyl in the XLE model, but the limited upgrades to leather seats. The two-row seating setup offers space for 5 passengers, and there's a generously sized cargo area that expands when you fold the rear seats. A panoramic sunroof is optional and makes for an airier feel, and both tan and black interior color options are available. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave me a comment to tell me how you found the car.